US Head Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr faced Senate committee today as dem accuse am say e dey give platform to crackpots, but e fire back say CDC fail well during COVID. E even tok say US na the sickest country for the whole world. Thailand Politics don enter new stage as parliament prepare to vote for new prime minister after royal officials reject few Thai party requests to dissolve parliament. We go hear the full gist for today Tori. Na PidginToriGlobal with this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen forward, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Make you like, subscribe and turn on notification bell make you no miss any of our videos. Also share with your friends, make dem too sabi wetin dey happen forward. China just show big parade wey remind everybody say dem no dey play when e reach world power and economy. President Xi Jinping welcome plenty foreign leaders, including Vladimir Putin from Russia and Kim Jong-un from North Korea, join body for the event. Dem say na more than 26 world leaders show face, mostly from non-Western countries. As soldiers waka pass gate of heavenly peace, Xi watch and later talk say China go continue to protect im people and no go allow any country push dem around. The parade also show new weapons and military powers wey fit send message give America and other rivals. But experts dey talk say this kind spectacle fit expose the whole wahala. Wey Donald Trump risky trade policy dey cause. Trump trade war with China don already shake global markets, and this parade na reminder say China dey ready to stand strong. Many dey fear say Trump method fit backfire, bring more problem for US economy and affect other countries wey dey depend on trade. For now, the matter dey show clear. While Trump dey push with high-risk policy, China dey use im show of power to tell world say dem no dey fear and dem get muscle to reply any challenge. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr face Senate committee today and the matter hot from beginning. Democrat Senator Ron Wyden first accuse am say e dey give platform to crackpots. RFK Jr fire back say CDC fail well during COVID and na why America need new leadership. E even talk say US na the sickest country for the whole world. The hearing come few days after CDC Director Susan Monares lose her job, wey later make some other leaders resign join. Gold don always be investors' favorite anytime wey gobe or uncertainty show face because e dey more stable than stock market. Na wetin Tim Watara, chief market analyst for KCM Trade Australia, explain give reporters. According to Ram, financial markets no like uncertainty at all, and anytime wey such situation happen, gold na usually the go-to assets for traders. Even though gold no dey always give big returns historically, the price don sharply rise these last 2 years as the world dey face plenty trouble, from the war for Ukraine and Gaza to United States President Donald Trump trade war. Another reason wey make people like gold be say e no dey depend on governments or bank. Investors wey no too trust financial institutions dey prefer am because gold na real commodity wey person fit buy, hold and store by himself. For now, experts dey talk say as long as international wahala still dey, gold go continue to shine as one of the safest places for investors to keep their money. Thailand Politics don enter new stage as parliament prepare to vote for new prime minister after royal officials reject full Thai party request to dissolve parliament. Caretaker Premier Phumtham Wechayachai talk on Thursday say the office of the privy council no gree with full Thai plan. According to them, e no dey appropriate to carry draft of royal decree go meet His Majesty for this period. The decision means say instead of fresh election, lawmakers go move ahead with vote to select new leader wey go direct government. The rejection also show how delicate Thailand political situation dey as ruling party no fit push through their strategy. For now, all eyes dey on parliament where different parties dey prepare to present their candidate for the prime minister seat. Analysts believe say the contest go strong because opposition blocs and coalition partners dey plan their move carefully. The next vote go decide who fit steer Thailand out of the current uncertainty. Until then, political players and citizens dey wait to see which direction the country go take. Prime Minister of Portugal don confirm say 16 people lost their life for the Lisbon funicular crash, even though first report tok say na 17. More than 20 people injure, among them na 4 Portuguese, 2 Spanish nationals and even 3-year-old pikin. Lisbon mayor call am one of the biggest tragedies wey don happen for the cities in recent time, say dem must find answers. One local tour guide wey rush go help tok say plenty people dey cry, but when she reach the crashed funicular, everywhere just silent. Authorities tok say first report on wetin cause the accident go come out on Friday from the transport office. Australia government don sign new deal with small Pacific island nation Nauru to resettle people wey dem tok say no get legal right to remain for Australia. The agreement wey both governments sign last week go cost about $1.6 billion spread over 30 years. Under the deal, Nauru go resettle up to 354 former detainees. In return, Australia go drop one first payment of $408 million Australian dollars, wey be $267 million US dollar, then continue to pay around 70 million Australian dollars, wey be $46 million US dollar every year. This arrangement na the latest step for Australia controversial offshore detention policies, wey human rights groups don criticize for long. Authorities insist say the plan dey necessary to manage immigration and stop irregular arrivals. For now, Nauru leaders never release full details of how dem go integrate the ex-detainees, while observers dey question the secrecy wey surround the agreement. Philippines military don confirm say naval ship Jose Rizal sailed from Palawan side to join Australia HMAS Brisbane and Canada HMCS Ville de Quebec for new joint drills. Officials tok say the exercise show Philippines' strong commitment to boost defense cooperation with countries wey get the same security goals. The drills happen for time wey tension still high for South China Sea. China and Philippines dey claim the Scarborough Shoal plus other islands, islets and reefs for the busy waterway. Apart from them, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei and Taiwan also get overlapping claims for the same region. Philippines government believes say to work with allies like Australia and Canada fit help improve naval readiness and also send message of unity for international waters. Analysts dey watch closely to see how Beijing go react, since China no dey happy anytime foreign ships enter areas wey they claim as their own. For now, the cooperation highlights how regional partners dey come together to protect free navigation and promote stability for South China Sea despite ongoing territorial wahala. And the last one for today, Manila don raise alarm say one Chinese Navy vessel jam one of its own coastguard ship during hot shades for South China Sea. The Philippines side even released video wey show the confrontation. According to statement from Commodore Jill Tarela, the Chinese Coast Guard vessel CCG 3104 dey pursue Philippine patrol boat BRP Sulian with high speed when it tried risky maneuver close to the right side of the Philippine ship. Now that move caused direct impact with one Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy warship. Tarela explains that the collision damaged the front part of the Chinese Coast Guard ship well to the point say e no fit continue to sail. The matter don add fresh tension to the long-time dispute between Manila and Beijing over South China Sea territories. Philippines authorities dey use the incident as more evidence of China's dangerous behavior for the contested waters, while international observers dey monitor to see how Beijing go respond. For now, government never announced if dem go hold direct talks about the collision, but the accident fit increase pressure for wider regional involvement to maintain safety and free movement for the busy waterway. Na the tori be that for today, and Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.